Today, I'm going to show you how you can face your fears about auction companies to get your favorite designer brands at a really cheap price. First, you're just going to want to go in and search the exact brand that you're looking for, the designer. Scroll down and you'll see that there's a ton of ones with white backgrounds, just like the ones here. They're great and all, but they often go very high, just like the Chanel bag. The price is too good to be true. You oftentimes want to look at other places where the background isn't white. So the next one I'm going to show you is a little bit better. While gray background, you're going to possibly get a better deal than you would with the white one. So next is this yellow Chanel bag. Price is about fair. That's probably on target. Gray background, you might have a chance there. But then the ones I really want to show you are ones like this, where it's not the prettiest background. Although it was past, the asking price might have been too high. So this next one is a perfect example. Really beat up, but you could probably send that in for some fixing once you've gotten it. But the most important thing to remember is to always check for authenticity, because not all auctions can guarantee that, and they'll put that in the disclaimer. My other advice is to not bid before the day of the auction. They will send you a text reminder. And finally, always check for the buyer's premium. Thank you so much.